Hey guys, welcome back to the channel Guide Hub. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create account on Line app. Line app is a free messaging app that lets you chat, make voice and video calls, and share photos and videos with your friends and family. At first, download the Line app, then open the Line app after it's installed. On the welcome screen, select the sign up option. Now select your country and continue with Google. Tap on your email address. On this page, enter your name which will be displayed to your profile. Now tap on the green button to continue. Here, create a unique password using the given combinations. Now tap on the green button to continue. Here you can see we have successfully created an account on Line app. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for more.